Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I am preparing uttapam made with oats and moong dal. It's really healthy and delicious. You can eat in dinner time or lunch time. It's really healthy. Please try it home. Definitely you're gonna like this. You can eat with chutney or any curry. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. So let's start the process. Take 1 cup moong dal and 2 cups of oats and half tomato, as salt is as per your taste, and green chilli and small piece of ginger. Soak moong dal 3-4 hours. So wash with fresh water and keep it aside. I'm gonna blend together everything. Add everything into the jar. Green chilli, tomatoes and ginger, 2 cups of oats. Now add moong dal. Now add water, half cup water. Let's blend it. So after blending it, it's look sticky because of oats. Let's transfer into the bowl. You can see that it's sticky. Now add half cup or 1 glass water. Mix well. Now we'll add little spices. Half tablespoon coriander and half tablespoon curry leaves, fresh curry leaves. Mix well. Now we're gonna add chili flakes. Now mix well. If you feel sticky, then add water. So take a pan, use onion, spread with onion. Now add 2 tablespoons of black batter. Spread it very slowly. You can't do it like a dosa because it's sticky. It's like a uttapam. So it will take 2 minutes to cook. Then turn it other side. Then cover the lid. Then it's done. So you're ready to eat. It's nice and colorful. That's all. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and please do share with your friends and family. Like my video and please keep supporting me. Use 1 tablespoon oil. I'm using olive oil. You can see the dosa, it's really soft. You can try it home. It's really healthy and delicious. You can eat with a coconut chutney or any curry. Uttapam is ready. My healthy breakfast is ready, you can see. This is really healthy breakfast. It's really delicious. Please try it home and let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.